Hi guys, welcome back to Wafotech, and today I'm going to show how to edit your size of the font in your computer. So follow me right now, do not skip the video and just come with me. Now go to start and just go to the setting icon. It's saying setting, click that and just go to ease of access, this option. As you can see here, click on that and then click on display option, and then you can see here you can make the font bigger and smaller. You can customize your size and set it. So I'm keeping on 109, apply, then saying please wait, and just done. So guys, I think this trick will be helpful for you. Just if you like this video, just like the video and subscribe my channel for more videos like this.